The next time you're cleaning, grab a lemon before you reach for the harsh, chemical-filled cleaning sprays. Here are 5 household items a lemon can help clean. To remove stains from wood or plastic cutting boards, cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice onto the board. Then rub the juice in with the other half and let sit for 20 minutes. The acid will work on the stains, revealing a fresh, clean cutting board. Cut a lemon in half, then sprinkle salt on the cut side. Rub it on a brass or copper item to get them gleaming. To make a natural degreasing spray you can use on almost any hard surface besides wood, combine 2 cups water, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, and 1/2 teaspoon Dr. Bronner's Castile soap in a spray bottle, then shake well. The lemon fights stains and disinfects, while the baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive. Cleaning a cheese grater can be tough on your kitchen sponge. After grating soft cheese or sticky foods, cut a lemon in half and rub the cut side along the grater. It will clear away residue while leaving a fresh lemon scent. Be sure to rinse and dry the grater before storing it away. If you have a cabinet full of discolored plastic food containers, let a lemon work its stain-fighting magic. Squeeze lemon juice onto the stained plastic and rub with the cut side of the lemon. Then let the containers dry in the sun and wash as you normally would. Those stubborn sauce stains will disappear. For more cleaning secrets, follow along on realsimple.com and Real Simple's YouTube channel. And don't forget to click subscribe so you won't miss an episode.